chicken.
I like chicken too.
My friend right here can do super loud burps.
The one who likes chicken.
To the theme song, "Eye of the Tiger."
Yeah.
Here's his grand finale.